For decades, we've been told that youth is the peak of human vitality. But scientists studying the human brain and cellular aging have recently discovered something unexpected. Imagine walking out to a patch of earth early in the morning. The air is cool, the world is quiet, and your hands are pressed directly into the damp, dark soil. To an onlooker, it is just a simple chore. But beneath the surface of your skin, a profound neurological symphony is across the threshold of 50. Our bodies begin a silent transition. Our neural pathways naturally begin to lose their elasticity. The chronic, low-grade inflammaging, begins to wear down our cellular defenses. Pioneering research reveals that the ultimate antidote to these modern ailments isn't found in a laboratory. It is found in the dirt. When we garden, we aren't just growing vegetables. Putting your hands in the soil releases a specific soil bacterium that acts on our brains in the exact same way as antidepressant medications. But what happens to our minds and bodies when we restore this connection is where modern science becomes truly fascinating. We spent our modern lives trying to separate ourselves from the earth, constructing concrete barriers. But our biology has not forgotten where it. To understand why this connection is so powerful, we have to look beneath the microscope at a world most of us never see. Dig into healthy, organic garden soil, you are interacting with a living, breathing ecosystem. Harmless bacterium called Mycobacterium garden. We inhale this bacterium and absorb it through minor scrapes in our skin. Neuroscientists have discovered that Mycobacterium vaccae mirrors serotonin. Exposure to this single soil microbe was shown to mirror the effects of cognitive therapy. Benefits of gardening after 50 extend far beyond a single microbe. It is a masterclass in natural biomechanics. Age, our joints stiffen. Traditional exercise, like running, can often feel jarring. Gardening, however, is what occupational therapists call functional, low-impact exercise. Even realizing it, squat to weed, reach to prune, gentle resistance training strengthens the core, preserves bone density. It is an exercise program disguised as a passion. The ancient parts of our brain thrive on the natural, complex patterns found in a garden. Attention restoration theory. While modern screens fatigue our prefrontal cortex, the gentle, non-demanding focus of a garden allows our brains to rest, restore, and actually build new neural pathways. Ancestors lived in direct contact with these natural rhythms. Science is simply proving what our ancestors already. Science is only the first step. How we actually apply this knowledge to our daily routines is where the physical transformation truly. Do not need an acre of land or hours of grueling labor. The secret to gardening after 50 is to work smarter, not harder. Adapting the garden to fit your. This transition is rewriting how we physically interact. Bending from the waist to reach the ground places immense pressure. Raised beds and vertical systems. By elevating your growing space to waist height, you eliminate the need for painful. Working with ground-level beds, the secret lies in proper tools. Traditional short-handled trowels force you to hunch over. Switching to ergonomic, long-handled tools, or using a thick, high-quality foam kneeling pad. Critical element is the concept of micro-gardening. You do not need to cultivate a massive plot. A few terracotta pots filled with fresh herbs on a sunny patio or a small raised bed is more than enough to trigger the release of those beneficial soil. Today, focus on highly sensory plants. Grow herbs like rosemary, lavender, and mint. These plants contain volatile aromatic oils that, when brushed against, release organic compounds called phytoncides. When we breathe these in, our bodies respond by increasing our white blood cell count, actively boosting our immune. Is one vital detail most gardeners miss in this stage. It isn't just about the physical work, it is about the pace. Magic lies in slowing down, observing the slow unfurling of a leaf, and embracing the process. This shift in pace that leads us to the deepest, most profound realization. The sun begins to set, casting long, golden shadows across the soil, the true meaning of the garden reveals itself. In youth, we are constantly building, striving. Life is measured by accumulation. But after 50, the internal landscape changes. We begin to seek depth over distance. The garden is the only place on Earth where time behaves differently. It cannot be rushed, algorithm, schedule. A seed will take exactly as long as it needs to break through the dark earth. In a world that demands instant gratification, the garden gently teaches us the beautiful, necessary art of patience. Plant a seed. We are making a quiet, profound statement of faith in tomorrow. We are acknowledging that we are part of something much larger than ourselves, a grand, unbroken cycle of birth, growth, decay, and rebirth that has kept this planet alive for billions of years. Tending to the earth, we find a unique sense of purpose. We are no longer just passive observers, active caretakers of it, understanding that winter is not the end, but a necessary period of rest before the renewal of spring. The wrinkles on our hands, much like the rings of an old oak tree, are not signs of wear, but beautiful markers of a life deeply lived. Rootedway, we believe that nature does not rush, yet everything is accomplished. Perhaps the greatest harvest of a garden after 50 is not the tomatoes, the herbs, or the flowers. It is the quiet realization that in tending to the soil, we have finally learned how to tend to ourselves. Hear from you. Have you noticed a shift? What does your garden teach you? Share your thoughts and stories in the comments below. If this journey spoke to your soul, please give this video a thumbs up. Share it with someone who loves the earth, and subscribe to Rootedway for more stories of slow living, ancient wisdom, and natural healing. Keep your hands in the soil, your heart in the sun, and stay rooted.